geobyte.
Similarly, let's take the another important problem. Okay, look at the screen. It is asking like this. The heat generated in a circuit is given by Q equal to I square RT. Heat transfer Q equal to I square RT given, where I is the current, R is the resistance, and T is the time. If the percentage of errors in measuring I, comma R and T are 2%, 1%, and 1% respectively. That means delta I by I into 100 is the percentage of the error in the current, that is given 2%. Similarly, delta R by R into 100 is given 1%. Delta T by T into 100 is given 1%. Okay. Then you're asked to find delta Q by Q into 100 is how much? Okay. As we all know, delta Q by Q into 100 is equal to, since Q equal to I square RT, 2 into delta I by I into 100 plus delta R by R into 100 plus delta T by T into 100. Here it is 2 into delta I by I into 100, 2 percentage, plus delta R by R into 100 equal to 1 percentage, plus 1 percentage. So here it is 2 into 2, 4 percentage, plus 1 percentage, plus 1 percentage equal to 6 percentage. That is the answer. Look at the option D. Option D is absolutely correct. Okay, this kind of problem more frequently asking. Okay, try to practice this kind of problem right perfectly. Similarly, let us take the another important problem. It is asking like this. The velocity of a projectile at the initial point A is, at the initial point A, velocity at A VA equal to 2 I cap minus 3 J cap, which is in meters per second. Its velocity in meter per second at B. Dear friends, remember, this is the projectile motion according to this is the projectile path. Projectile path. For the projectile path, we will discuss later clearly. The horizontal component of velocity remains same. That is, x component of velocity remains same. But look at the projectile path. The projectile path is such that the direction of the y component of velocity is changing or reversing. It is moving in the positive y coordinate, then it is in the negative y coordinate. That means direction of y component of velocity is reversed. For that, the velocity at B, x component of velocity cannot be changed, but y component of velocity is reversed. Minus of minus 3 j cap meter per second. It is equal to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap meter per second. That is the answer. Velocity at B equal to I cap plus 3 j cap. Option D is absolutely correct. Okay. Yes. Similarly, let us take the another important problem. Okay. Look at the screen. It is asking like this. The two vectors, that is vector A and vector B, are drawn from a common point and C bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Then angle between the A bar and B bar is given that vector C equal to vector A plus vector B. Since both vector A and vector B are passing from the same point, therefore I can say that the vector C square equal to vector A square plus vector B square plus 2 vector A into vector B cos of the angle. Or simply I can write that C square equal to A square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Look at the first case. Look at the first case. That is if theta equal to 90 degrees. If theta equal to 90 degrees, cos theta becomes cos 90 equal to 0, right? That means this quantity is becoming 0. Then c square equal to a square plus b square. C square equal to a square plus b square. First statement is absolutely correct. Okay. Similarly, second case is theta greater than 90 degrees. Theta greater than 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Okay. If theta is greater than 90 degrees, cos greater than 90 is negative. Is negative. Then I can say that c square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Since cos theta is negative, I can write that c square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta, because cos theta is negative. Cos greater than 90 negative. Therefore, I can say that from this the conclusion is c square is less than, since this part should be subtracted from the a square plus b square, c square is less than a square plus b square, right? Look at the second statement. C square is less than a square plus b square. That is also absolutely correct. Okay. Similarly, greater than 90 degrees, c square greater than a square plus b square, absolutely wrong. If theta is greater than 90 degrees, we proved that c square is less than a square plus b square. Similarly, if theta less than 90 degrees, let us take that case. Theta less than 90 degrees. Theta less than 90 degrees. Theta less than 90 degrees means cos less than 90 always positive. Positive. Then c square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, where cos theta is positive. From this, since this part is positive, I can say that c square is greater than a square plus b square when theta less than 90 degrees. When theta less than 90 degrees, c square is greater than a square plus b square. Fourth statement also correct. 1, 2, 4 are correct. 1, 2, 4. Look at the option D. Option D is absolutely correct. Understood clearly? Yes. Then look at the another important question asking like this. Given that vector A plus vector B equal to vector R and A square plus B square equal to R square, the angle between vector A and vector B. As you know, R square equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. If, for example, theta equal to 90 degrees, 90 degrees means pi by 2, cos 90 equal to 0. If cos 90 is 0, then r square equal to, right, this part is 0. R square equal to a square plus b square. So to have the r square equal to a square plus b square, theta must be equal to 90 degrees, that is pi by 2. Look at the option C. Option C is absolutely correct. Understood clearly? Yes. Similarly, let us take the another important, oh, completed. All the problems what we have taken, right? Completed. I hope all of you clearly understood. Understood, all right? Yes. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Okay? Yes.
Geobyte.